Hi viewers, welcome to Learning Station. In this segment, we're going to see the prose Water, the Elixir of Life. It was written by Sir C.V. Raman. He was born in Tiruchirappalli. In 1930, he was awarded with Nobel Prize. He was widely known for his Raman effect. In this prose, Water, the Elixir of Life, the importance of water and the sources of water is being depicted. When he begins the prose, he says that man is in search of the elixir of life or the divine Amrita in his imaginary world. But in real life, the Amrita of life is very near to our hands. That is nothing but the common water which is commonly used in all the liquids. Our narrator is remembering the day when he was standing in the line which is separating the Nile from Libyan desert. One side, with the heavy waves, the sea is there, not even a speck is greenish there, no living beings also. But on the other side, the large land with all the greeneries and living beings. What is the reason behind those differences? Why Nile is running beyond 1,000 miles? The geologist says that the entire soil of the Nile Valley is created by the river Nile. During the flood, from the highlands like Abyssinia and Central Africa, when the Nile flows into the sea for years, those lands were created. Even Egypt also created by its rivers. It is created by the ancient civilization and sustained by the regular life-giving waters. He is telling those examples in order to make others understand about the importance of water. Water is the common substance in the whole earth which is taken by everybody in day-to-day life. In shaping the history of the earth, water is playing an important role everywhere. For the livelihood on the earth and to add more beauty to the villages, nothing can overtake the role of water. Whatever that be, whether it's a small stream which runs through the rocks or the small pond where the cattle drinks water in thirst during evening times, all that adds more beauty to the land. In South India, the rain-fed tanks were more common, but they may forget to maintain that. That's a sad thing. When their tanks were full, it looks nice to see. It looks shallow. When the waters are slit laden, it will not be seen outside. For South Indian agriculture, those tanks were playing important roles. Some tanks will be large in size, sunrise and sunset will be visible beautifully there. When the rays reflect in it, it looks bright, and when the sky overcast it, it looks dark. The truth about this water is it carries slits and in between it will remove the soil in it. That is the reason behind the origin of the color of the water in the tank. According to the characteristic of land, the color also will change. While the water flows quickly, it carries heavy particles. According to the density of the particles, the water carries a long way. These particles will be very small, but like this, lot of particles will be transported from place to place. When the slit-laden water mixes with the seawater fastly, a substance will be produced. This can be seen while traveling by the steamer in the deep sea. The color of the water will change slightly. From the muddy red color, it becomes yellow and then green. Finally, it reaches to the sea blue color of the deep sea. The great tracts of land have been formed by slits, so that lands will be fertile. But the flow of the water is important. For the process of creating soil in land from the rocks, also that water is important as much as it is needed. The same thing may also bring disaster. If the flow of water is not taken care, the soil needed for the agriculture will be destroyed and the life of the country will be destroyed. Many places in India, soil erosion is the serious problem. Why this soil erosion is happening and how these things could be taken care are important to understand. If soil erosion is not taken care in the initial stage, then that will end up in a dangerous way. Because of gullies and ravines, the entire agriculture may become impossible. The main reasons for soil erosion are the sudden heavy rain and the rapid flow of water or the initial reason. The supporting elements for those are landslide, removal of agricultural lands and overflowing water. With this, not taking proper care of the flow of water also one among the reason. If the flow of water is heavy often, then the soil will easily to cover by the water. The menace which is given by soil erosion is an alarm to the successful agriculture. It is important to pay attention in large parts of India. Terracing of land, construction of bunds to check the flow of water, cultivation and vegetation of appropriate plants are the ways to prevent soil erosion. The flow of water should also be checked often before any disaster occurs. Water is the important source for every living human beings. For all the animals, plants, trees, for their physical activities, water is important. Physical activities are not possible without water. Water is important in the life of animals too. The moisture in the land is more helpful for the growth of plants and trees. Conservation of water and supply of water in the base to make the life of human beings secure. Apart from artesian water, the sources of all water is rain and snowfall. Indian agriculture completely depends upon the seasonal rainfall. If the rainfall is not regular, that is also difficult. There is a connection between soil erosion and irregular rainfall. In order to stop soil erosion, following new techniques and using water according to the needs are helpful to conserve water. It can be done on the land and inside the land. These techniques will be useful in double ways. However, in the rainfall of a country, maximum amount of water will run away in the land. The conservation of water and using it to the needs are very important. Lot of water is going through streams and rivers. Finally, it reaches to the sea. Country will lose a big amount of water in all this. The usage of rivers, water mixing with the waste were all national level problems. Proper attention should be paid to those problems. The places which is covered by the scrubs should be made into fertile land with proper plants. Afforestation is closely connected with the water supply protection. According to the plan, the right trees should be planted in the possible places and impossible places too. The imagination that the jungles can't be tamed should be changed. Growing trees in forest will give a change to India, which is very important too. Those plantations will be the untold wealth of the country. They should check about the soil erosion and the water which mixes with wastages. Not only that, they easily gain fuel supply and how to change these farmyard manure into a fuel should also be tried. Conservation of water and supply should be useful for the villages. For easy internal transport, boats are useful in countryside through the canals and rivers. We often heard about the railway and road development, but not about Indian waterways development. It is basis for development of electric power. Electricity will give a change in villages so that the economy also develop in different directions. In one way, water is common liquid of all. In yet another way, in taking care of the animals, plants, it is the uncommon liquid of all. In order to do the investigation regarding nature and water related things, the curiosity about scientific interest is must. By saying this, the prose ends up. Stay tuned with Learning Station for further videos.